am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about angles. The definition of the angle is the inclination between two rays having a common initial point is called angle. Here the inclination between two rays having a common initial point is called angle. Here the two rays are drawn like this. This is, let us take OA is a one ray and OB is a one ray. The inclination between these two rays, this OA ray and OB ray, is called as, this is the inclination. This inclination is called as angle. This inclination is called as angle. This OA ray is called as initial ray, and this OB ray is called as terminated ray, and this one is called as angle. The units of angle are degree. A complete turn about a point divided into 360 equal parts each part is degree. It can be written as 1 degree. Here a complete turn about a point. If you are having a point like this, if you want to turn it completely, this one we have to divide into 360 equal parts. Here each part is called as a degree, that is represented by 1 degree. This is the symbol of degree. Each part is called as a degree. If you are having an angle like this, let O is the vertex, OA is the initial ray, OB be the terminated ray, and this inclination is called as angle. If you are having Q, R, S, T, V, W. Here the points which are inside the angle are called interior points. The points which are outside the angle is called as exterior points. The points which are lies on the ray are called points belongs to the angle. These Q, R, S are interiors of an angle, and this W, V, T is exterior of an angle, and this A, O, B is points on the angle. We can define the interior of the angle, exterior of the angle, and points lies on the angle. Types of angles. In that, first one is zero angle. The angle between initial and terminated ray is zero is called zero angle. Here the angle between initial ray and terminated ray is zero. Means if you are having a vertex O, I am having a initial ray OA. Initial ray is OA. On the initial ray only if you are having OB ray. What is the angle between OA and OB? There is no angle. If the angle between the initial ray and terminated ray is zero, here such kind of angle is called as zero angle. If initial ray and terminated ray both are on the same ray, then we will call such kind of angle as zero angle. Next, acute angle. The angle which is greater than 0 and less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. Here if you are having like this, here this is a 0 angle, this is the 90 angle. Here acute angle will have more than 0 and it should be less than 90. The angle which is greater than 0 and less than 90 is called acute angle. Example, 89 degrees. This 89 is less than 90. So this 89 is called as acute angle. 60 degrees. The 60 degrees is greater than 0, less than 90. So we will call it as a acute angle. Here you can draw 60 degrees like this. 60 degrees, this is O and this is A. OA is initial ray and OB is terminated ray and the inclination is 60 degrees. Here this is acute angle. Right angle. The angle is exactly equal to 90 degrees is called right angle. If the angle is having exactly 90, then such kind of angle is called as right angle. Here example I can say here. This is O and here is A. This is B. Here the angle is 90 degrees. Here you may have like this also. Here also you are having 90 degrees. This is OA, OB. The angle between the two rays is 90, exactly 90 degrees. We will call such kind of angle as right angle. Obtuse angle. The angle which is greater than 90 and less than 180 is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Here obtuse angle should be greater than 90. Should be greater than 90 and also should be less than 180. Such kind of angle we will call it as a obtuse angle. If you are having a like this, initial ray. OA is the initial ray and this OB is the terminated ray. If the angle is 120, this 120 is greater than 90, 120 should be less than 180. Such kind of angle only we will call it as a obtuse angle. 179 also obtuse angle. Why? Because this 179 is greater than 90, less than 180. Here the angle which is greater than 90, less than 180 is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, straight angle. If the angle is exactly equal to 180 degrees is called straight angle. If you are having an initial ray like this, OA, and if you are having a terminated ray OB, the angle is exactly equal to 180 degrees, then such kind of angle is known as straight angle, reflex angle. The angle which is greater than 180 and less than 360 and less than 360 is called reflex angle. Reflex angle. Here the angle which should be greater than 180 and less than 360 means it should be here initial ray is OA and terminated ray is OB, and this angle should be greater than 180. Here 280 I will take. This is greater than 180 and less than 360. Here the angle which lies between greater than 180 and less than 360 is called as reflex angle. You can say 290 is also a reflex angle. This is greater than 180, less than 360. 359 is also a reflex angle. Complete angle. The angle which is exactly equal to 360 degrees is called complete angle. Here you will have OA as initial ray. After completing a revolution, again this terminated ray will, on this one only it will have. It will rotate completely and again it will come to the OA ray. The terminated ray will also will be in the OA. It means it will complete one revolution. If a terminated ray completed one revolution, that will have 360 degrees. Here the angle which is having exactly equal to 360 degrees is called complete angle. Here zero angle will have OA, initial ray, terminated ray will also in this one, but both are on the same only. But come to here also both are same, but here the terminated ray completed one revolution. Here terminated ray not completed, so we are not keeping here any angle, but here one revolution it completed, so we will call the angle exactly equal to 360 degrees is called complete angle. Now let us write this all angles at a place. If you are having like this, this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree. Again after completion, here you will get 360 degree. Here the angle which is exactly 0 degree is called zero angle. Exactly 0 degrees. I will take this one as O, and here the angle exactly equal to 0 degree is called zero angle. The angle which is greater than 0 less than 90 is called acute angle. Acute angle. The angle exactly equal to 90 degrees is called right angle. Right angle. Here the angle which is greater than 90 less than 180 is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. The angle exactly equal to 180 degrees is called straight angle. Straight angle. Here the angle which is greater than 180 less than 360 is called as reflex angle. Reflex angle. Here the angle exactly equal to 360 degrees is called complete angle. Complete angle. In this way we can write all the angles in the one figure.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.